Durant. I am the Community Association's Manager for Xanadu Nature Estate. The beautiful Xanadu Nature Estate in Hartbeespoort is set on 240 hectares overlooking the majestic Magaliesberg Mountain range. A natural wetland runs through the estate, and the estate is home to 280 different bird species. Wildlife roam free on the estate, and with 4 bird heights, residents are afforded to a tranquility environment from where they can observe bird and game activities. Our administration team consists of 2 divisions, which is our technical coordinator team and then our administration coordinator team. So from our technical coordinators, we've got a building coordinator, an infrastructure coordinator and a security coordinator. Because we are still within city borders, the infrastructure belongs to the city of Magaliesberg and then to the city of Tshwane.
My name is I'm the chair lady of the estate. I'm responsible for the marketing, the HR portfolio, communication portfolio. I'm a resident of the estate since 2013. I want Xanadu to remain the estate of choice, with a superb reputation, with effective governance, where we all are proud and supportive of the community.
Xanadu is a home. Xanadu is where you want to buy your first little house to start your family with, where you can teach your child to ride his first bike in a safe environment. This is a place where you're going to be safe and where you're going to have a safe family. But it's also a place where you're going to grow old. When you grow older, you're going to have the same neighbour that you started with, moving on into the retirement village.
I'm I'm here since 2008. In 2010, I joined the Board of Trustees and has been a trustee ever since. In 2011, we got this piece of land that was a railway siding, and it was given to us to develop a garden here. It's a very relaxed lifestyle here in the village. It's partly country, but also quite near to all the bigger cities and shopping centres and things like that.
Good day, I'm Philip de Bruin. I'm the principal at Xanadu Private School. I've been here since July 2019, where we were another school previously, but in 2020 we were taken back over by the Dr. Day Educational Trust, and since then we've been growing a lot and lots of improvements to the infrastructure and getting better quality teachers. So we're very excited about the new season for our school.
Ek is Kobus Wind van die Dr. Day gemeente hier in Hartbeespoort en spesifiek hier in ons Xanadu Nature Estate. Nou, ons as kerk kom nie net op 'n Sondag bymekaar nie. Maar ons is eintlik 'n familie op 'n missie wat regtig seker maak en die Here vertrou dat sy transformerende teenwoordigheid so sigbaar sal word in mense se lewens en ook in ons dorp en ons omgewing.